Greetings from Long Island today. Working on everybody's favorite boilers. So what I hear, it's not one of mine, but I don't do a lot of residential, so don't shoot the messenger. Well, I'm a McLean Ultra, man. Wall hung. Thing's like 10 years old. I think we cleaned the heat exchanger like a year and a half ago or something, but it's like, by the way it's operating, we might have to do it again. I'm sorry I'm squinting, the glares in my eye, but got one of my guys coming down here with a gasket kit and all the goodies. You know, we're gonna pull this little bad boy apart, man. Every now and again, you know, we do favors for the customers. I don't really get into residential, but here we are, man. And even though we're an industrial company, a boiler's a boiler, in my opinion. Yes, there are variations. Yes, there are differences. Yes, there's some electrical things, but for the most part, operational, it's the same. We're gonna dig into this one, show you what's going on. Come along on the journey. Peace out. So we're here just messing with this boiler. I always like to say nice things about the equipment I work on because we had a loose screw, man. Something like what's up here, same. All is well in the world.